Hey, James Bill here. What's going on, my friend? So you're here because you want to know how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Well, you're definitely in the right place, okay? Just to tell you a little bit about me, I'm a musician, drummer. I've been playing music now for about 20 plus years, guys. And the band that I'm with is called City Heat, and we do a lot of high-end engagements on the weekends. And throughout the years, we've built this thing up, and we play for a lot of doctors, lawyers, businessmen, and I always knew that I wanted the things that they had, but I just didn't want to go back to school. I didn't want to go back to school for 5 to 7 years to to go back and learn all of this stuff that it takes, and long story short, I started searching for ways to grow and build a business online, and I didn't really know anything about that. And I stumbled across a business model, and that's affiliate marketing. And I'm going to tell you a little bit more about affiliate marketing in a little bit. But affiliate marketing was the path that I chose after doing some research and your due diligence. You have to do that, guys. And I found that this was one of the I don't want to use the word easiest, because I'm going to tell you now, none of this is easy. It takes work, guys. You have to put in the work. Honestly, you have to put in the work. Whatever business model you're going to choose, you have to put in the work. I just want to share that with you. But the affiliate marketing, and I guess you're asking, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically the selling of someone else's product or service, and you get paid a nice commission for it. And in my opinion, one of the best ways to go about doing affiliate marketing is to simply join a proven system, guys. Something that other people are already having success with, and because, like they say, you don't want to reinvent the wheel. And by the way, at the bottom of this, I'm going to leave a link at the bottom here for you to go ahead, if you like to dig a little deeper into this to find out more. I'm going to leave that information for you guys. But yeah, affiliate marketing, man, that's the way to go. I'm telling you, that's the way to go. I mean, they already have the product, they already provide the service. All you do is join in and go ahead and basically share that product or information to the masses, guys, and you get paid well for it. There are some people out there who doing affiliate marketing, 6, 7, and 8 figure earners. So yes, it's definitely the way to go. But anyway, I hope this has been of some value to you guys, and so go ahead and this is your first time here, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, where I'm going to be basically inspiring, motivating, and educating you on how to grow a successful business online. Again, I'm James Bill. Peace and blessings.